Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello. Welcome back with me to Canva for Beginners. Now, we proceed to the next chapter, which is chapter 2, create a design. Okay, first, click the Canva logo and now we are at the main page of Canva. If you want to create a design, you can choose the template display on the main page or you can click create a design at the top right. After clicking the button, the type of design will pop up. For example, I want to create a design for my desktop wallpaper. After that, it will direct us to a page with a plain background, which I will use to design a wallpaper for my desktop. You can choose the template that you want to design. If you want to add a design or picture to your design, go to Upload and add your picture in Canva. And now, I will show how the design will become beautiful after I add the design that I want. This is the design that I have done. You can do the design according to your preference, either using the existing template in Canva or creating one from scratch.